Section number 2, basic concept of Earth-Sun geometry. Lecture number 10, basics of equation of time, time correction factor, and local solar time. Learning objectives of lecture number 10. Learner should able to recognize equation of time. Learner should able to calculate equation of time by standard formula. Learner should able to understand time correction factor. Learner should able to understand local solar time. One by one we are going to see. The first is equation of time. Basically the equation of time is a correction factor that we are considering due to the eccentricity of an earth. The equation of time in minutes is an empirical equation that corrects for the eccentricity of an earth orbit and the earth axial tilt. The formula is very much simple. This is an imperial formula. EOT is equals to 9.87 multiplied by sine of B minus of 7.53 multiplied by cos of B minus of 1.5 multiplied by sine of B, where B in the degrees can be calculated by this formula. B is equals to 360 upon 365 in bracket D minus 81, where D is the day in a whole year. B is measured in the terms of degrees and small d is the number of days since the start of the year. If you want to calculate for the 1st of February, then we are taking here 32, that is the 32nd day out of the whole year. For example, let's say on the 1st of February 2020, the EOTs can be calculated by this formula. First we calculate the B value because we need the B value to calculate the EOT equation. This B is calculated by the following formula. On the 1st of February, as we know, it is a 32nd day out of the 365 day. So B is equals to 360 upon 365 in bracket 32 minus of 81. Here we get minus of 48.33 degree. We put this value in this equation. And ultimately by calculating this value from this equation, we get the value of minus of 13.69 in minutes. So the EOT is the correction factor due to the eccentricity of an object, eccentricity of an earth. So this eccentricity of an earth, the correction factor, we can deduct the EOT from the local standard time by minus of 13.69 in the minutes. So in this way we can easily calculate the equation of time by using this simple formula. This curve has been given. On the y-axis there is an equation of time in minutes, and the x-axis there is a number of days since the start of the year. As the day has starting in the year, we observe that the equation of time is getting minus. After the completion of the 100th of the day, the equation of time is 0 and it is continuously going to be increased up to the 150 years. So we need to add this much time into our local time so we can easily get our standard time. Again it is decreasing, again it is certainly increasing. These values are given in terms of minutes, and this x side it has given the day has been increased. So overall the 365 days we can get the equation of time curve by calculating this formula. Time correction factor TC. The net time correction factor in minutes accounts for the variation of local time or local solar time LST within a given time zone due to the longitude variation within the time zone. Due to the longitude variation, we need to also take in consideration of time correction factor. Time correction factor also considers the equation of time. So TC formula is empirical formula. We easily get it as 4 multiplied by longitude minus LSTM, that is local solar time meridian, plus EOT, where 4 factor comes from when the earth is rotated at an angle of 1 degree, it is every 4 minutes. So in the time correction factor in the minutes we can get by this 4 by multiplying this value with the 4. So longitude, on which longitude we are calculating for this side, that we consider the LSTM local standard time meridian we calculate according to the UTC zone of a country or the place. EOT we will calculate from the formula, and by considering all these factor we will get the value of TC, that is the time correction factor in minutes. Local solar time LST. The local solar time LST can be found by using the previous two corrections to be adjusted in the local time. When we want to calculate the local solar time, there is a simple formula, that the local time plus time correction factor upon 60. Ultimately, the local time is the time at which we are taking the measurement plus the time correction factors. Here we are considering the LSTM factor and the EOT factor, out of which we are calculating the time correction factor. We will consider this factor here divided by 60. So ultimately we will directly get the local solar time on the particular site. It is very important formula to calculate the local solar time at a particular site where we want to install a solar power plant.